Hey, what's up YouTube? So now it's a little bit dark, so I can show you exactly what I did with the lights, with the side marker and the side view mirrors, and actually back here. So remember, after I installed that module to change the turning signal from here to this too, this one would not turn at all, so now it does. Let me show you. So first of all, side view mirror, side marker, the lights. I like the headlights. Side marker. Whoa, I just noticed this. Good to know, I gotta fix that. And then back here, they all turn up. They are all on. Now let's say turning signal. All in sync. And back here, much better. Let me go the other side. I want to see what happened with that side view mirror. Yeah, I can see already something got disconnected, so I gotta figure out what it is. Crap, always something. I don't remember if I showed you guys I got new wheels. Can't really see now, it's a little dark, but they're much better than the ones that I got. So now lights are off. Turning signal, all in sync. Side marker with the headlight and the side view mirror. And then back here, and then same thing for the other side. Now I'm sad. I gotta figure out what happened over here. That should not have happened. I'll figure it out. I washed the car. Looking nice. So much stuff I want to do. I gotta fix the exhaust. There's a leak on it, so it sounds a little weird, and I don't like this exhaust is a little too loud for my taste. I fixed the crankshaft the crank pulley that I cracked the other day. Finally, I was able to show at night. It looks nice. So I have a lot to do on this car. What do you guys think? This looks nice. Thanks for watching.